Hi, in this lecture we'll see comparison operator. Comparison operators. To develop any application or any requirement, at least we need to compare, right? Definitely we need this less than, greater than, all these comparison operators. So the comparison operators are used to compare the one expression to another. There are many types of comparison operators. Equality, first one is a equality operator. Comparison operators, equal operator, that is equal, not equal operator, not equal, not equal operator will be represented like this, or like this, or uh, like this. In three ways we can represent not equal operator, greater than operator, greater than operator, that is this one, less than, this one, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to operator, less than or equal to, and in operator, and not in, not in operator, is null, between, not between. These are all different comparison operators. Equal to operator, how to equal to operator in where class, if you are using equal to operator, if you want to compare something equal to this column is equal to some value like that, such scenarios we will use equal to operator. We'll see one example. Select star from department table where department number equal to 20. I want to fetch all the data, all the information from department table where department equal to 10. So it will give only 10th department details. Likewise, whenever you want to compare equality thing, that time we will use equality operator. So not equality operator means, so except that it is quite opposite to that. So I want to fetch all the data from department table where department number not equal to 10. See here, except 10, not equal to 10, remaining 20, 30, 40 came. This is one kind of a example for a not equality operator. So this is also it will work. This is one symbol. One more symbol is this one. This will also work. So, next, we'll see one more example for greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Select star from EMP where salary greater than or equal to 3000. So I want to fetch the employee information from employee table where condition is salary column greater than 3000, greater than 3000 rupees. So here if you see output, salary column greater than equal to the whatever value we are mentioning here, equal to also coming, greater than 5000 is greater than, right? 3000 equal value and 5000 is a greater than value. These three records are coming. This is example for greater than or equal to. Similarly, less than or equal to same, just we have to change this symbol. Less than equal to 3000 or less than 3000. See here, all 3000s and less than 3000. This is less than or equal to. Next operator is in. In where we will use in means if you want to compare that value available in that some particular uh, portion, particular parameter. Suppose I want to we'll take one example. I want to fetch the information from employee table, employee ID information where employee number equal to 10 and 20. In such scenario, what you will do is, so first we'll clear this CLSCR, clear screen. Okay, SQL star plus command, this one. Select e dot e name, e dot salary, e dot job, d dot department number, d dot d name, d dot location from EMP E comma DPT D on E dot department number equal to D dot department number where department number in 10 comma 20. So we'll see what is that issue where E dot department number, control this and F4. not okay. Directly we'll see where class e dot department number equal to d dot department number and e dot department number in 10 and 20. See, likewise, whenever you want to compare some more than one value in a where class, that time we'll go for in. Except here it will give what are this condition, what are all the records satisfying this condition. Okay, these are all same one condition only, separated with the and. So you can see only 10, 20. 10, 20 department information like employee name, what is his salary, job, okay, department name, location. Likewise, if you want to compare something values in where class, that time we'll use in operator. Not in, it is quite opposite to in. Example, you will get questions like this. Okay, how you will question you will get is direct. No one will ask you like what is in operator in SQL like that. Okay, they will give some requirement. I want to fetch all employee table and department table details except 38 department. That is the question. So for that question, what using not in we can do, right? Not in 30 we can mention in a where class. For example, same query, not in 30 or 10 comma 20. See, only not in 10 comma 20 means with other than 10, 20, 30, right? All information related to 30 came. So this is not in example. We'll see what are all the remaining not in also we see is null, between not between. Okay, is null, it will check is null. Next one is null. This is also an operator here, comparison operator. So where if a table column is a null, if you want to compare such type of scenario, that type directly is null. For example, select star from EMP where manager is null. See, for this employee king, we don't have manager. Null value is there for manager. So you don't have manager. He is a president. He is the last. He is the highest designation in this table. So wherever manager is null, I want to fetch that particular employee information. The question is, give me the records from employee table who don't have manager. That is a query. So directly who don't have means is null value only, right? Manager column is null. Directly is null operator we can use and we can directly, where that column is null, directly we can use. So for null, in, not in, is null also we have seen, right? So in, what it will do in, it will give the output based on the column and its list of values specified. List of values specified. Correct only, right? Whatever list we are specifying in the parenthesis, that entire thing it will compare. Not only 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. Not in, this will give output based on the column which values are not its list of values specified. Quite opposite. Not in. So is null we have seen. We'll see only between now. Between between one more comparison operator is there between. So this will give the output based on the column and its lower bound and upper bound. So between is operator will give the output based on the column and its lower bound and upper bound. For example, select star from EMP where salary between 1000 and 3000. See, between will give the output based on the column and its lower bound, that is this is lower bound and upper bound. In between values it will print if you use between these two values. So all this bit lies between this 1000 and 3000 only, right? That is between. So between only will compare two values, but in, not in, there is no particular restriction. We can mention n number of values, but between will take one upper bound and lower bound. So not between also same, quite opposite. We'll see not between. See, not between this range 5000 more than 3000 upper bound, 800 less than lower bound. So these three records it will come. So this is the example for not between. So what are all other operators we have is almost all we have seen every important comparison operator. Okay. In the next video we'll see what are the other type of operators available in SQL.